Oh, I'm in luck. I was just having lunch. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Early morning with the birds. Coming into view with some other hikers.
Yesterday evening.
Yeah. Look at that. That's a big boy. All the way through this forest, we're seeing all the nuzzle marks of boar. And there are occasional signs to say they exist. You're never truly alone in a forest. Good morning, day 3. Well, day 2 was a good day in the end. Resupply, got rid of my rubbish, had a pastry, met up with Celestine and Cyrille again. We had a good campsite. Yes, it rained a lot before we put our tents up, but it was a good day. And it looks like the storm has blown through because it's quite a nice day today. So yeah, met up with Dog and Pup again. They arrived really late at our camp spot. Sorry, going downhill. So that was good. And hopefully we'll have a good day. So let's just see where the day takes us. There are people everywhere. There's another camper over here. Oh, it's a long drag up. Just over the bridge, and we should catch a couple of geese with their young. And there they are. These paths are earmarked for everybody. Beaten by les enfants. Les enfants. €1 for the toilet. There we go. French expenditure. Look at the size of him. We're doing a succession of sort of 25-kilometre days because these are early days. There's no point rushing. So we've done 15 or 16 kilometres already today. It's not even lunchtime, but that gives us a chance to have breaks. But the important thing is not to, for us anyway, for me particularly, is not to overdo it in the early days. So, and the terrain allows you to do that. We're walking through forests, so you go up a little bit, walk along a plateau, and then go down a little bit. But it's not too excessive. Gosh, just coming into a section where all the trees look like they've lost their bark or have got some infestation. With horns. That is funny. Oh, I'm in luck. We're going to get a train. There we go. Free water. This is the free water. This house. This is this lovely place to rest. I was just having lunch. This is the town hall in Wimmenow. And we go off up there. Through the foxgloves and the dead trees. This is the large grassy area that is marked on the app Ochsenstall, and then just beyond it are these lovely rocks. There are some bucket seats, and there are some beautiful rocks with some cows inside and another seat. And my tent is up there. Oh, I've done my 25k for the day. Found a spot on top of some rocks. So about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, good time to stop. I've seen this lady a few times. She hobbles along. There he is, going by completely full. From my tent, this is what I see. The path is just through there.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.